The dancing shoes of Lila. Lila loved to watch dancers on TV, but she always felt too shy to try dancing herself. One day, while playing outside, she found a pair of beautiful shoes resting under a tree. When she slipped them on, her feet began to move on their own. Lila giggled and twirled, realizing the shoes were helping her dance in ways she had only dreamed of. She felt joy flowing through her, and soon her shyness melted away. The shoes seemed to dance to the beat of her own heart. After a few weeks of practicing with the magic shoes, Lila grew so confident that she no longer needed them to dance. She realized that she had learned to believe in herself. The shoes had taught her that the real magic was in her bravery and joy. Lila danced happily, knowing that her confidence made her shine the brightest. The shoes had been her start, but her heart kept her dancing on and on.